Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your gift card on Kwik Trip. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kwiktrip.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kwik Trip website. Now underneath commercial and fleet cards, click on continue and then you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on login and now you will be asked to enter your details. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used while setting up your account and then enter your first and your last name. After entering both of these, enter your card number within the card number box and then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number followed by your zip code. Then click on complete account and you will be logged into your gift card, which will then activate your card right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your Kwik Trip gift cards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.